Hello, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the issue of your microphone playing audio feedback that you're hearing, whether it be in a Discord call, a game with your friend, or a video call. Now there are two common reasons why this issue is occurring, and the first can be found by going to your sound control panel. Now to do that, you're going to go ahead and find your sound icon in the taskbar, right click it and open sound settings. Once you're here, you're going to see this on the side. You're going to click sound control panel. Now you're going to get this sound dialog to pull up, and once you're here, click recording and go to your microphone that's right here and make sure that you have no other devices enabled. So as you can see, I have disabled my webcam microphone, I've disabled my headset microphone because I don't use my headset microphone, and I have disabled stereo mix. With your microphone that you have, go to properties and click the listen tab. Once you're there, make sure that listen to this device is not enabled. After doing so, if you have a newer computer, go to your search bar and type in Realtek Audio Console. Go ahead and pull this up and click the settings icon over here in the top right corner. Your layout may look a little different depending on your manufacturer of your computer. Once you're here, you're going to go to recording device and you want to change it to separate all input jacks as independent devices. That way it's not trying to tie your devices together. So those two quick fixes may be the best solutions for fixing this problem. If the problem still occurs, try a different microphone and see if the problem is still occurring. Most of the time, this may be caused by simple headset leakage through the microphone, from the microphone being too close to the earpiece. If you guys have any questions or need more help, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll be sure to help you guys out. Thank you.